Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure your Telegram account is active and your phone number is verified, then enable contacts sync so results surface faster. Next, gather every hint you have about the private channel, partial usernames, invite links, or admin names. Once done, use the Telegram search bar and enter fragments of the username or admin name and check global results. This approach finds matching public remnants or related groups that lead toward the private channel. Now escalate to deeper methods. Search for the channel admin's account and inspect their public groups, pinned posts, and profile bio for invite clues. Once you locate related public channels, follow referral links. Sometimes private channels leave archived public traces. Also try systematic username variants and transliterations, replace characters, add underscores or numbers, because owners often change visible handles. Finally, test bot-assisted discovery tools inside Telegram. To finish, request an invite directly from the channel admin or moderators. Message them politely and include who referred you. Once granted, tap the invite link, confirm joining, and adjust notification settings to avoid overload. If you still cannot access the channel, make sure to clear Telegram cache, resync contacts, and restart the app. These steps fix many visibility problems. If that fails, try joining via an alternate verified account or ask a trusted mutual contact to resend the invite link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.